Introduce quick overview and highlight features of electric pressure washer 2800 PSI 1.6 GPM power washers with spray gun adjustable nozzles brush kit accessories. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. The PW2800 electric pressure washer is a practical choice for tackling a variety of medium to heavy-duty cleaning jobs at home. This electric pressure washer powerful 2000-watt motor generates up to 2800 PSI 1.6 GPM for maximum cleaning power, which means you'll get your cleaning chore done faster and easier with less strain and fatigue. You can use it to handle a variety of cleaning tasks: homes, buildings, RVs, cars, trucks, boats, decks, driveways, patios, and more. The built-in soap tank allows you to easily apply your favorite soap or cleaning solutions for those tough cleaning jobs. Designed with usability in mind, this pressure washer provides a storage solution for the gun nozzle, electrical cord, and other attachment. Whether you're hosing down the driveway or cleaning the back porch, our lightweight design combined with 6-inch never flat wheels makes for easy transport and storage. If you do not understand, not sure, or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.